Hello everyone. This is actually connected with the market research of Sampath Vishwa online banking facility offered by Sampath Bank PLC. Without going broadly introduction, let's move on the research because I introduced the company details broadly in previous discussion. Here we have another customer who is from relevant target market. He is ready to have a discussion with me. He is Supun Nilmina. Hi, Mr. Supun.
Hi,
Good evening.
good evening.
Okay, I will deliver some questions to you, and you may straightly and simply answer the same as you wish.
Oh,
There is no any hard and fast question. Let's start.
okay.
What is your age?
I'm 43 years old.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
What is your education level?
I did my advanced level in school.
Where do you live?
My hometown is Gaul.
What is your profession?
I'm a senior manager of UB Finance Company Limited.
What is your household income?
I'm employed and my wife is housewife and my salary between 100,000 to 150,000.
Well, what is your household size?
There are four members in my family. I have two sons. They are still schooling.
Well, what are your hobbies and interests?
My hobbies are reading newspapers, watching television, and browsing Facebook.
Okay. Where do you spend your free time?
I like to spend my leisure time with my family.
What are your biggest challenges?
It's to provide good education to my children, and I am responsible for giving better life for my family, and also perform in the event aspect in the career life.
Okay. What are your primary goals?
I have only one goal. It's to have good family life without interrupting others.
Okay. What is most important to you?
Yes, I like very much freedom.
Well, uh, where do you go for information?
I'm watching television and reading newspapers, and I'm engaging in the internet and Facebook most of the time.
Well, how do you like to make purchases?
I'm experiencing debit cards, credit cards given by Sampath Bank. Not only Sampath Bank, also HNB, commercial banks. Additionally, I got activated Sampath Vishwa online banking facility recently. Through that, I'm doing make some payments.
How likely are you to recommend this Sampath Vishwa brand to a friend?
That is new experience to me, and I'm using this product without any problems. It's a very friendly digital banking solution. I like very much it and I recommend it.
Okay. Uh, how long have you been a customer with Sampath Vishwa?
I have been using since April.
Well, what problems does this Vishwa product solve for you?
I can make fees of my children instantly, being at the office, and I can monitor my banking transaction very easily without updating my passbook, and all utility bills could be settled without one click.
Okay. Uh, how does the Sampath Vishwa online platform fit into your daily workflow?
My salaries go to Sampath Bank, and as I said before, it's easy for me.
Okay. How how well does the Sampath Vishwa meet your needs?
Nothing where to say that it's excellent.
Well, what do you wish the Sampath Vishwa had that it currently does not?
I think charges should be reduced to some extent, and it should added more payment gateways than existing, and also loyalty points or cashback facility like credit cards. It's good for consider.
Well, what do you like most about Sampath Vishwa facility?
Instant feedback for the request via online facility, bill payment facility, and the instant loan facility is more attractive.
Well, uh, what made you choose this Vishwa facility over other banking competitors such as HNB Commercial Bank?
Yeah, Sampath Bank is the pioneer introducing digital banking, and it has easy access than other banking such as HNB, NTB, commercial, and one of my friends who is branch manager Sampath Bank recommended this facility. I think it's a very nice decision had been.
Okay, how would you rate your last experience with this Vishwa facility?
Since I got this facility very recently, I have no any issues or experience to say you. But overall, it's very helpful.
Okay, how is Sampath Vishwa facility doing compared to other banks?
To be honest,
Yes.
yes, it's to be honest, it's a marvelous facility.
Okay. Uh, Thank you very much, Mrs. Supun, for participating in the discussion, and have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay.